Good day everyone. Today I will present my channel partner hunt for a local coffee brand in the Philippines. The objective of this activity is to identify possible channel members that can help distribute and sell the coffee products effectively to customers. For this presentation, I choose a local coffee brand because coffee is one of the most consumed beverages in the Philippines. Many students, employees, and even small business owners drink coffee daily, which creates a strong market demand. The possible channel members I selected are: first, sari-sari stores. Sari-sari stores are found in almost every community and are very accessible to customers. They can sell sachet coffee, bottled coffee, or ready-to-drink coffee products. I selected them because they already have loyal neighborhood customers and can help increase product availability in local areas. Second, supermarkets and grocery stores such as Pure Gold and Robinsons Market. These stores attract many customers every day, making them effective distribution partners. Customers often buy coffee together with other household products, which can help increase sales. Third, online resellers and e-commerce platforms like Shopee and Lazada. Online selling is growing rapidly in the Philippines. Many consumers now prefer ordering products online because it is convenient and accessible. Online resellers can also help promote the coffee brand through reviews, live streams, and social media marketing. Fourth, cafe and small coffee shops. Partnering with cafes is beneficial because coffee shops already serve customers who enjoy coffee products. These businesses can use the local coffee brand as part of their menu or retail products. Now, I will apply programs selection criteria to explain why these channels members were selected. First, credit and financial condition. Supermarkets and established cafes usually have stable financial capacity and can manage regular product orders and payments. Reliable online resellers with good transaction records are also preferred. Second is sales strength. Supermarkets and online platforms have strong sales potential because they have reached many consumers daily. Sari-sari stores also contribute strong local sales because they are trusted and frequently visited by nearby residents. Third, product lines. The selected channel members already sell related products such as beverages, snacks, and food items. This makes the local coffee brand sustainable or suitable for their existing product offerings. Fourth is reputation. Businesses with good services and positive reputations were selected because customer trust is important, maintaining the image and quality of the coffee brand. Lastly, market coverage. Sari-sari stores provide coverage within neighborhoods. Supermarkets reach larger communities. Cafes target coffee lovers, and online resellers can reach customers nationwide. Combining these channels allows the product to reach a wider market. In conclusion, choosing the right channel partner is important because they help improve product availability, customer reach, and overall sales performance through these selected channel members. A local coffee brand can grow its presence in the Philippine market successfully. Thank you for listening.